Hello, my name is Bibi Apampa, your Wealth and Empowerment Coach from the Wealth Academy. Today we'll be talking about retirement business, still looking at the agricultural sector. What are the areas of businesses that are available that you can do in the agri sector in retirement? Today we'll be specializing looking more at processing food businesses in Nigeria. There's always a large harvest from farmers, but many times there's a lot of losses because we don't have enough processing plants that can process all these agricultural products. So then we're going to look at areas that we can come in on retirement business when it comes to agri-food processing in Nigeria. The first area I'd like to talk about is beans flour. Beans is a stable food, high source of protein that everybody is involved in. So what does beans flour processing involve? It's actually dried beans ground to a very fine flour texture. This product is in high demand as it saves time and it saves energy for those who need to make delicacies like moi moi and akara. Another area of agri-food processing in Nigeria that we like to look at is poundo yam. Poundo yam takes the place of yam. Pounding yam really takes time, it takes energy, and not many people can really know how to pound yam. So processing the yam so that it becomes dried, it becomes a flour that can be used as poundo yam in the homes is another area, because pounded yam is a very, very popular stable food and accompanies a lot of dishes in Nigeria. The other area for food processing, another idea, is in gari plantation, gari processing. Gari is made from the cassava plant and is a granular food which can be soaked at room temperature with cold water and seed. Gari can also be stirred in hot water to make a swallow meal, which is called eba in Nigeria for many Nigerians. So just about every home in Nigeria has gari in their pantry. So gari is always a profitable processed food for everybody. Now the fourth business, retirement business in the agri processing sector that I would recommend is corn flour. There are endless use for corn flour in Nigeria. Whatever people use it, where it's being used. One, it's being used in the baking industry, it's being used for pastries, it's being used as baby food, and it's a thickener for soups and stews, and it's a major ingredient in many Nigerian delicacies like agidi and starch swallow. The demand for corn flour is very, very high, and the export value is also there. So corn flour definitely is an area that one would profit in as a retirement business in the agri-food processing sector in Nigeria. Another idea in the food processing sector for retirement business is shea butter. Shea butter is rich in antioxidants and very rich in vitamin E. It is used in cosmetics as well, and as well as in food, even in chocolates as well. Local and foreign demand for this product makes it a favorite in the food processing business. Another area of business when you're thinking of what to do in retirement in the agricultural sector is the production of vegetable oil. We all need oil. Oil is always used. There's hardly any Nigerian dish or any Nigerian food that is not processed using oil. So using production of vegetable oil is a very good idea when it comes to food processing, especially if you decide to go into groundnut oil. And groundnut oil is richer and is high in demand. But you find that when it comes to sunflower oil or other types of oil, it's very much high in demand in Nigeria. Another area which you can go into if you are considering retirement business in the agri sector in Nigeria is that of production of food spices. Almost the entire Nigerian population, they consume food spices in the production of foods and cooking every day. And this is usually produced more from vegetables and herbs. Local spice production is struggling to meet the high demand, and so this offers a big opportunity for us in Nigeria. Another retirement business idea in the food processing sector is that of meat processing. Nigeria is blessed with an abundance of livestock, which are mostly sold raw and freshly killed in the market and sold as raw meat. But with many shoppers now preferring to shop in online or maybe to buy their things from supermarket, the opportunity is now there. There's an increased demand for processed and packaged meat. This presents an opportunity for anybody who is going into business in retirement, going into food packaging and meat processing. Another food processing business I can go into is the production of plantain and potato chips. Potato chips and plantain chips is a healthy snack, is a common snack all over Nigeria, and also an attraction, especially for students when they're going to school, which they use as a snack. And it's quite an easy process to go into plantain and potato chips production. And because it is high in demand, then you are sure it's a business that you would always will always be available for you, which you can sell through supermarkets and other shops all over the country. Finally, the other food processing business I'd like to discuss is the production of yam flour. Yam flour is used in cooking amala. Amala is a staple food that is very popular, especially in the western area of Nigeria. It goes very well with ewedu and gbegiri. And it just comes from drying the yam and then spreading it and then grinding it so it becomes a nice fine powder. This is a product that is high in demand, and I can assure you it's a flourishing business in Nigeria. In conclusion, please go to www.Peaceful Retirement Nigeria to download a free book on retirement planning, which will help you prepare for your retirement in Nigeria.